A clear, fast flush and rapid drain are the first signs that a slow toilet has been successfully cleared. Start by checking the water level in the tank and adjusting the float so the tank fills to the manufacturer recommended mark. Low tank volume is the most common cause, and correcting it restores flushing power. Use a flange plunger with a firm, consistent pumping rhythm rather than short taps. Create a good seal around the drain opening and push with steady pressure, then pull to break the clog loose. If the plunger does not work, use a toilet auger with the curved head fully extended into the trap and rotate clockwise, while applying forward pressure to avoid scratching the porcelain. Retract slowly while flushing to ensure the obstruction has cleared. Inspect the rim jets under the bowl lip with a small mirror or a straightened coat hanger to clear mineral buildup that weakens the swirl. Run a brush or a wire through each jet until water flows freely. For persistent, slow performance, check the vent stack on the roof for bird nests or debris that restricts airflow. A temporarily blocked vent causes gurgling and slow drains and can be cleared with a garden hose from the roof or a professional vent cleaning if you are not comfortable on the roof. Always finish by running several full tank flushes to verify a strong, forceful swirl that clears the bowl on the first try, and watch for any repeated need to plunge, which indicates a deeper sewer line issue. People commonly mistake low water level for a worn-out toilet and replace the fixture when an adjustment would fix it, so always verify tank fill and float settings first. Another frequent issue is using a cup plunger that does not seal the drain, which wastes time and effort. So switch to a flange style and focus on creating a tight seal and steady strokes. Homeowners sometimes ignore odor or slow sink and tub drains that point to a shared sewer restriction. And if multiple fixtures are slow, you should stop DIY plunging and arrange a professional inspection for a possible mainline obstruction. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to maintenance and repair. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips and troubleshooting experiences.